Hello friends! Today I am going to open this Ryan mystery figure. It's very cool. I like it so much. And I like ryantoyreview so much. And let's see what's inside. But first I want to show you what kind of character I like. But we only had to pick one. So let's pick one. I think I like the one who glows in the dark. I like this one. I like Robo Ryan. He's super cool and awesome. Let's see all the mystery figures. Cosmo Ryan, Diver Ryan, Sonic Titan, Judo Ryan, Pirate Ryan, Robo Ryan, Road Worker Ryan, Racer Ryan, Professor Ryan, Dark Star Ryan, Robo Panda, and this is the rare, and this is the ultra rare. I like this thing, and I wonder what I'll get in this pack. Okay, let's start. Let's start to unopen. And this is 3 plus, I am 3 plus 2. Uh-oh. I wonder what I am going to get, friends. We'll see. I got Pirate Ryan. Okay, let me open it now. This is Pirate Ryan. This is Pirate Ryan. Ah. Ooh. He has a little sword. Let's see, this can fit or not. Ah. Ha ha ha. I'm the Pirate Ryan. This set has a lot of mystery figures. I think I need to pick them all in a different pack. I like this so much. Look at this. This is so fun. And I want to show you something else. He's just kidding. Let's go to the treasure. Yeah. Where's my boot? Hey. I'm sinking. Okay, friends. See you in the next video. Happy Easter, everyone. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye!